Hi guys, this is Reddy from Wealthy Options. Welcome to 36th episode of 0DTE Pulse. Today was a Sensex Expiry. So today we had a RBI monetary policy at 10 a.m. However, I ran my system as it is without any changes. So today Sensex opened with gap down of about 150 points, but from that time it was a fantastic bull rally today, and Sensex ended with a 900 points profit. Starting from from the opening to the ending. So in terms of premiums, because of the event, we got a good premiums after a long time. So the premium at 916 was almost like a 425, and but because of the event risk, there was no significant decay up to 10 o'clock. So from 10 o'clock, the moment RBI monetary policy decisions was announced, so the premium actually crashed. Within a couple of seconds it crashed by 50 points. Then in next half an hour, premium crashed by almost like a 130 140 points. After that, it kept in the same at same level almost for another 1.5 hour, and then the rest of the decay happened. So the challenge was, during this time, so when the crash happened, the premiums came down quickly, and whatever the positions my system has taken up to that, so by they started getting into the very good profit by 11:15 itself. I was into the profit of 0.55, like 0.55, 0.56, and after that, what happened is Sensex started going in a one-way rally. So till this time, so both the strategies, which mainly focused on theta decay and also the direction, they started doing well. But from here onwards, the strategies with big stop losses aimed for theta capturing, and also the strategies like mean reversion strategies, they started facing the heat and challenge. Some of the struggle started from here, because you could see Sensex started making a volatile move. So it came down by almost like a 200 to 50 points, and then went back. So this was a little bit of a troubling period, where many of the strategies entered and started taking a beating on both sides. And also some of my entries in the afternoon, they had a skewed entry, like call premiums were higher, and put premiums were lower, and the stop losses eventually hit on the call side because the Sensex went up. So because of that, I had to give up some profit, but at the end of the day, end the day with a profit of 2,48,000 from all these three accounts together, so which works out like a 0.57% on my account size. So this is the first expiry of October month, and I'm happy that it started on a profit note. So this is the MTM. So as I said, it started with initial volatility before the event, and then it went up to 0.57. So finally, I had to close the day with 0.57% profit. With that, I'll see you in my next episode. Thanks for watching.